Alright, bonjour. We are back again with a new session and lesson set c'est le weekend exercises on page 82. We are having it. That is, comptez le tableau, complete the table. Here, aujourd'hui, demain. The boxes given and you have three here boxes going down. And days are given and you have to fill the remaining one. For example, you do not go this way but go this way straight, and you can write 1, 2 and 3. And here first one is here, second one is aujourd'hui, third one is demain, yesterday, today and tomorrow. If today is jeudi, that is Thursday, what was yesterday? Wednesday, that is mercredi. What will be tomorrow? Friday, that is vendredi. Second one. Then here it is given here. Yesterday was Monday, that is lundi. Today it is Tuesday, mardi. And what would be tomorrow? After mardi it comes mercredi, that is Wednesday. If it is Saturday here, aujourd'hui, then what was yesterday? Here it was vendredi, Friday, and what would be tomorrow? Dimanche, that is Sunday. Now we have répondez aux questions suivantes. Answer the following question, and that is number 4. Number 3, we did compléter le tableau, complete the table, and now we are doing the question answer. See the first question. Il y a combien de jours dans une semaine? How will you answer? Il y a combien de? How many days are there in a week? You are going to write answer with il y a. Il y a 7 jours, SEPT 7, space JOURS, jour, and dans une semaine. So you can write the whole answer from the question itself. Il y a is given. Combien de jours? The answer is 7 jours. Remaining answer, dans une semaine. You write it here and the sentence becomes il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Second question. Il y a combien de mois dans une année? Il y a 12 mois dans une année, because we have 12 months in a year. Quand est votre anniversaire? When is your birthday? You have to write it your birthday month. How will the sentence go? Say, C apostrophe EST, say au mois de, in the month of. Whether it is March, you write Mars, janvier, January, décembre, December. C'est au mois de. It is in the month of. Quand est l'anniversaire de votre ami? When is the birthday of your friend? You can write the birthday of any of your best friend, only one. C'est au mois de décembre. I can write that if her birthday or his birthday is coming on Saturday. If it, December month we have to write. So we can write that, and if it is in another month, you can write any month of your favorite friend or best friend who is having their birthday. And you should also ask if you haven't asked, but I am sure you must know the birthday, or you must be knowing the birthday of your best friend very well. You must be wishing him or her on that day properly. So this was the fourth question. Now this grill box one. Number 5. Trouver les mois de l'année dans la grille. Find out the months. Into bracket 6 is given of the year in the grid. In this grid box, 6 months are given. You have to find out and make a box. Now we have relisser les colonnes. Match the columns. A. Bon anniversaire. B. Bon weekend. C. Bon voyage. D. Bon vacances. E. Bonne journée. The English meaning are given on the either side. 1. Have a nice vacation. 2. Have a nice day. 3. Happy birthday. 4. Have a nice weekend. 5. Have a nice journey. Bon anniversaire means happy birthday. A will go with 3. Bon weekend, that is have a nice weekend. B will go with 4. Bon voyage, have a nice journey. C will go with 5. Bon vacances, have a nice vacation. That is D will go with 1. Bonne journée, have a nice day. It will go with number 2. Number 7. Écoutez et remplissez les blancs. Listen and fill up the blanks. This is the listening exercise which we are not doing it. So, I continue your lecture with the exercises of workbook, which is lesson number 7. In your workbook, we have lesson 7 on page number 33. C'est le weekend. C. In this, you have trouver les jours de la semaine. Find the days of the week and the blanks is given. In this, you have to find out the word and then write the spelling. For example, A dash dash M dash dash I. How many words are there which are having 6 letters? Only one, and that is Samedi. Samedi. Now there is second word in B, and it has 8 letters. M dash 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 D and dash. And when you see the spelling in the weekend list, it is mercredi. Mercredi. Mercredi has 8 letters. Then C. 5-letter words. Find out the 5-letter words. They are lundi and mardi. Then which one is asked? It is having U. So lundi. D. D is dash. I dash dash. Again another 2 dash dash. H and dash. So how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again like mercredi, 8-letter words. Which is the one? It is dimanche. D-I-M-A-N-C-H-E. Then E. Dash dash R-D-I. 5-letter word. First one was lundi. Then it is obvious. Second one is mardi. F. Again a third word with 5 letters. Okay? But it starts with J. So automatically it should be jeudi. J-E-U-D-I. The last one. Again 8-letter word. Okay? So we have vendredi because it is starting with V. So there are 3. Vendredi, mercredi, dimanche with 8-letter words. But we have to remember the spelling what comes in between. And there are 3 days of the week which are having only 5 letters. That is lundi, mardi and jeudi. Saturday is the only one, samedi, which has 7 letters. So for that you have to learn your spelling by heart. Second one is complete le calendrier. Complete the calendar. May is given, 20 is given, year can be any. That's why they have put two cross. Here, days of the week. Starting from Sunday. Then what comes? Ladi, Mardi is given. Then Mercredi, Shadi, Vendredi is given. Samedi. We have to fill up the days of the week. And the month is given here. Okay. Now on page number 34. Crossword. Fais les mots croisés ou français. Do the crossword in French. You have been given across and down, horizontal and vertical. In English, numbers are also given properly, and those numbers are given here also properly. And you have to write the French word. Across words are January, October, spring, July, autumn, February. Janvier, October, spring is printemps, July is juillet, autumn is automne, February is février. And downwards, winter, November, August, May, June, April, December, summer, September, March. They have given seasons and months in this drill box, or what you say crossword. Winter is known as hiver, Hiver. November is Novembre, August is août, May is May, Mai, June is juin, April is avril, December is décembre, summer is I with accent aigu T, I with accent aigu été. September is septembre and March is mars. So do one thing, when you do this, write with small handwriting the word in French near the English one, and then you fill up the box. So it will be easy to fill in the box with French name and numbers are clearly stated. Now we have répondez aux questions suivantes. Answer the following questions. Number 4. Il y a combien de mois dans une année? How many months are there in a year? Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Second question, il y a combien de jours dans une semaine? How many days of the week? Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. These all answers are clearly given in the whole chapter. The sentences are also explained, days, months, meanings. Take the use of your vocabulary properly and see all the spellings properly in the textbook and then you copy. Now we have quel est votre mois préféré? Which month do you prefer the most? You can write any of the month from the 12 months which you like the most, you prefer the most, that I love this month because so many things are there in this month. Maybe your birthday, your mommy daddy's birthday, your brother sister's birthday, it may be coming in same month, or so many different occasion or competition, or you must have gone for vacation which you like the most. You write the name of that month in French. That is your preferable month of the year and you write the answer. Je préfère le janvier or le novembre or le août, any. Quel est votre jour préféré? Same way, which is your favorite day or the day you prefer? Je préfère le samedi or le dimanche or le vendredi, le lundi, any. But you have to write le. And préféré, it is given here so you can copy from that. Quelle saison aimez-vous? Which season do you like the most? You have been given 4 seasons in your textbook. That is l'automne, that is autumn, le printemps, that is the spring season, l'hiver, winter, and l'été, summer. So you can write your favorite season. J'aime le printemps, or j'aime l'hiver, or j'aime l'automne, any. Le lale is compulsory before the month, day, or season. Quand est votre anniversaire? When is your birthday? Mon anniversaire est le. My birthday is the number of the birth date and month in French. You can write the number in English and month in French. For example, mon anniversaire est le 15 juillet. I write it in this line. Quand est l'anniversaire de votre sœur ou de votre frère? If you have brother or sister, you can write the birthday of them. L'anniversaire de ma sœur est dash, or l'anniversaire de mon frère est dash. Okay? If you have both brothers and sisters, you can write of both that their birthday is on these days. Now we have corriger les orthographes, question 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The remaining exercises of the workbook in next session. Till then, au revoir.